Hey, in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of ConvertKit, show you the places where we're going to go during this tutorial, and I'm not going to go too in depth because other videos will do that for you. So here we're on the ConvertKit.com main page. We'll log in to our account. And then we'll get moved into our ConvertKit dashboard. The dashboard's set up as follows. The top area shows you some metrics on a number of subscribers and unsubscribes per day. You can change some of the parameters up here, change day, weeks, and months, do some filtering, and change the date parameters. Additionally, you'll have a list of recent subscribers here. We can change to see all subscribers and canceled, complained, bounced, and so forth. One thing we're going to use in the tutorials is tags. That area is down here. It's a little hard to find. It wasn't obvious to me when I first started out. So you'll create tags here, and then you can use those tags for each of the subscribers. The next section is automations. Most things can be found through this navigation bar. Automation is what's going to happen after the subscriber gets added to the system. We'll be adding this automation. There's only 2 steps, so it's pretty easy. Then in forms, this is the bucket that will add the new subscribers to. I have this form right here, Podio new lead. So this is where we'll be adding all our new leads from Podio. And just some basic fields. Next is the sequence. The sequence is the mailers the email that are going out. We'll be creating this Podio lead sequence, which has 3 emails, one going out upon the creation, immediately after the creation of the subscriber, and then 1 day after that, and then 1 day after the previous email here, so number 3. So in all, this will take 2 days to finish. And last is broadcast, which we won't use in the tutorial. It'll be a one-time. If you want to send out an email one time to a batch of subscribers, you do that here. So that's pretty much it. It's just wanted to show you around the system a little bit. It's very straightforward. There's some things that are hidden, and I will point those things out in the emails or in the videos later. Let's get on with that tutorial.